From Sooner Standards, Bits, Bytes and Binary, a complete Grade 5 computer science unit for Oklahoma Standard 5CSHS01. Students learn to model how everyday information like letters, pictures, and sound is translated into bits, and explain how hardware and software work together to transmit and process it. Inside, a full teacher guide with pacing, misconceptions, and a scoring rubric, plus a content lesson with built-in comprehension checkpoints. New this update, a standard mastery rubric for teachers and parents, a visual information to bits comparison chart, a CS Careers connection, and an AI connection, all built to the Oklahoma HQM rubric. Plus a 12-question assessment with answer key, group and individual activities, vocabulary puzzles, a family letter, and a certificate of achievement. That's 3 to 4 days of no prep, HQM-aligned instruction across 35 ready-to-print pages. Find it at Sooner Standards on Teachers Pay Teachers.